Sorry for that, guys. Batteries died. Anyway, this is where we left off. Everything is assembled so far, and now all that I do is take the front scale and the back spacer and just drop the screws through. Now the male pivot part. Use the special pivot tool again. Just tighten it. Or because I didn't take out the grub screw, when you tighten the male part, it will. Yeah. Uh, 10 minutes you take the knife apart and just clean it, and that's it. So just want to make sure the grub screw is tightened. There you go. Yep. And lockup is exactly where I want it. So that's it. Enjoy your day.